Hey y'all, so in today's video I'm going to be bringing y'all some all-day homemaking motivation at 25 weeks pregnant. As a stay-at-home mom, it can feel like you're doing the same thing over and over again. So I'm hoping that this video can bring you some motivation to get some of those things that we always do done. So after I made some breakfast for me and the kids and I had my coffee, I'm going to move into our room so I can make up our bed, and then I'm going to vacuum and then move on to the next room.
It's like the world is on our side. Nothing can bring me. And ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch things.
It feels like my house just gets behind a lot, and before you know it, it's nighttime. I'm trying to get the kids ready for bed and the whole house is just a mess, and I'll either overdo it and try to do everything that night, or I'll just let the house be a mess until the morning, which I really don't like. So we all know the best way to keep up with your house is trying to handle the mess as soon as it starts versus just letting everything sit. So like I said, after we ate, I did go into the room and I made up our bed and everything, and now I'm back in the kitchen to go ahead and put the dishes that we used in the dishwasher, and whatever couldn't fit I just hand washed, and then I'm going to wipe everything down and I'm going to vacuum, so that way we'll have a clean kitchen for lunch.
Just to see how your halo shines so bright. Ooh, baby, did you fall from paradise? Wherever we go, I'm on cloud nine, so high, yeah. I got a brand new love you. Take me away, girl, to a new level. It's 700. The nerve. I found an angel. I found my angel. Come on. I found my angel. Found my angel.
Okay, so this one.
Take me away, girl, to a new level. It's 700. I'm not. I found an angel. I found my angel. Come on, oh, I found my angel. I found an angel.
I really do not like cleaning the kitchen, but nothing feels better than having a clean kitchen and your candle is burning and it just smells good and everything is ready for the next time you need to cook. So that's what always motivates me to push through and get it all done. Stop scratching him and clean up. I'm not gonna pick up all these darn toys.
Don't call me woo.
Clean up. So there's times where I want to deep clean a room and I'll just clean the whole room by myself because it's easier for me to get it done. But a lot of the times, like regular days like this, y'all, I have the kids clean up their room throughout the day and make up their own beds. I'm not going to be picking up toys 100 times a day. So after they straighten up their room to the point where I felt like I could handle the rest, I just sent them in the kitchen and I gave them some markers and papers, and that's how I just try to entertain them while I'm trying to do what I need to do.
Over you, just trying to stay alive. No matter how I feel or what I do, yeah, I keep on wasting
wanted to clean the tub out so that way later on when it's time to get the kids a bath, the tub is already clean and I can just put them in. So I'm using dish soap and Comment to do that, and then I'm just gonna wipe everything else down with a Lysol wipe.
No one ever knows where we're heading, where this story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right. I know you rather wanna flight than fight. But every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground. You say, I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. Now I am down at 0. When will it ever stop? I'm only human. How am I supposed to cope? One bad decision, I'm running out of rope.
So like I said, trying to keep up on the mess. The kids was done coloring, so I'm just gonna put the markers back. And then there were some crumbs on the floor, so I'm just gonna vacuum that up. And at this point, it was quiet time, so they know you ain't gotta go to bed, but you gotta lay in the bed. You can't get up. So I just went ahead and closed the curtains and put on a movie for them so I can finish doing what I need to do.
Yeah, better when you mad me. Yeah, love, you got better when you mad me, admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed.
Okay, so the kids had already had lunch. I just didn't show y'all, and now it was time for me to start making dinner. I like to make dinner early, so like 5 or 6 o'clock is when I like to make dinner. Because if I don't start making dinner until 8 o'clock, that means I'm probably not cleaning the kitchen until 10 o'clock, which also means that the kitchen probably will not get clean until the next morning. So in order for me to make sure I have a higher chance of actually cleaning the kitchen, I cook dinner early. And then around 8 or 9 o'clock, if the kids and me and my husband get hungry again, that's when they'll have a bowl of cereal or PB&J, grilled cheese, something that's easy for me to make and even easier for me to clean. So that's what I do to try to stay on top of having a clean kitchen before I go to bed.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care.
So after we ate, I just hurry up and put the kids in the tub. Like I said, the key is to try to get everything done as early as possible. I used to wait so late to try to do everything and then be mad at myself when I couldn't get it all done. It's like you had all this time to do it and you waiting until now. So anyway, when I was getting Jaden washed. Mama was already washed up and my husband had got her dressed. Now that I am cleaning up the kitchen, y'all can't see him, but my husband is also going around the house and sweeping one last time while I get this kitchen together.
Said you needed space. Said you needed more time to think. So you went away. But you still would stay in my dream. Now you're back for more. Why you in my reality? My head closed the door. Even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back. Hurt so bad, had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, like it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. 50-11 days, 50-11 days, 50-11. I lost count of all of the weeks that you have your way. Wouldn't pick a fight when you'd leave.
So my husband takes the clothes to the laundromat, and then usually I'm the one that folds all of the clothes. And I used to like washing clothes and stuff used to be my favorite thing to do, but now that he takes the clothes to the laundromat and he just comes back with the clothes, it's like folding the clothes is the most boring part. I liked when I did the whole process, but now it's just like folding the clothes. It's like boo. So usually when he brings the clothes back, it takes a few days for me to even build up the strength to even fold the clothes. But anyway, I'm folding up all the clothes that need to be folded, and then when I was done, I just had my husband put all of the clothes away, so that way I'm not just constantly like moving around and putting these clothes away. So we are getting towards the end of this video. I hope that this video did bring you some motivation to get done what it feels like we are always doing, and if it did, please make sure you give this video a like. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. 'Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, 'cause I'm